Welcome back guys, Cryptophile channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bounce token, auction, targets and updates of my main bull run plan video for this token, what I shared over than a year ago. Let's dive in. First of all guys, step by step, I will post the updates for the token, not when to buy, but when to sell. Because during the 2022, 2023, 2024, even 2025, I shared the videos for some token bull run plan. If you remember, if you can track all that videos. If you don't remember, I highly recommend you to Telegram channel, free content. Find the pinned message and find the Notion list where I guess over than 500 different tokens with detailed analysis, what I shared with you in last 3 years. And yes, guys, now I will post the updates for auction and technically everything playing out pretty good one. Congrats everybody who invested in it, who took a risk, you know, because not all tokens perform like this token or like Mantra or like, I don't know, even Solana. So this was the main video for auction, what I posted in November 2023. You know, and of course, it's impossible to post the videos, right, in the best time. That's why there's a lot of different tokens, but all targets and explanation. So the logic, because a lot of influencer, you know, the analytic, they post just random numbers without any logical explanation why we have to go to that target or to this target. So they just showed you, I wish to see the parabolic move because we will be in the super cycle. So it's just random things. So I try to explain you my personal vision of tokens. Why do I think so? We will go higher or we will go lower, where we'll stop, conservative price targets and the most bullish targets for this token. So guys, congrats everybody who watched that video in November 2023. So around here, you could invest in token. It was not a mistake to invest in that token because we traded around 27 blocks. So FEEP absolutely the same. No makes sense to write in the comments, right? Oh, you, of course, now you post the updates because of you updated. No, guys, you can open that video, what I posted 1.5 years ago, you know, and check the FEEP, the levels, everything absolutely on the same place because it's not random numbers. You know, it was a logical entries, logical zones. We talk about as zones on this channel, not about some till penny target, buy this, buy that, you know, and become rich so fast. No, guys, we saw a lot of example how the so fundamental tokens dump it to new historical low like Algorand, for example. I don't want to tell you the Algorand is so bad. No. Take a look why this FEEP is legit, because I share with you in that video. So also in educational purpose, I'll recommend you go and check that video. So to understand the logic and what analysis, how you can analyze the next tokens by yourself. So this was a top, this was support. Here was a rejection in October 21 at 86 level by FEEP. So I used the weekly time frame and how to work with 27 FEEP zone. I recommend you go and watch the educational video also. So here we dump it inside 27 block, here date range. In it was the May 2022 and we traded. Here we try and breaking out the zero level, rejected, and finally we're breaking out that zone after 546 days of accumulation. So it's more than enough time for whales accumulate as much as possible tokens. So now they can distribute that backs to retailers at the high price targets. And they accumulate in range between $7.15 to $2.28. Now they distribute, guys. And let's be real, now no makes sense to buy auction, even if we go higher. The target absolutely still the same. So or $70.93 a sweep of the top, or we can stop at 59 at 37 63 37, or we can go higher to $1.04 104. So this is a way. If you believe in higher targets, you can take a pause and take a look at the numbers. So guys, everything planned at before. Here was a rejection at 0.5 level by FEEP. After that, we leave 2 monthly blocks, gaps and we come back, fulfill, test till penny, 18 level by FIB, guys, all targets, all levels absolutely the same. So I'm not adjusted the FIB. I'm not redraw the charts just to show you, oh, take a look, I'm right. A lot of ideas wrong. A lot of ideas wrong. But if some ideas are correct and we determine, I determine the zones correctly, we can use that FIB for the next few years. So technically, yes, I believe we can form the 104, for example. But imagine if we will leave this kind of candle, because in 1 month, imagine what all market going down, right? And auction made it 500%. Craziness, right? And we can go higher, but after that, we will form the gap, for example, here. And after April, it's going to be the 7 mango event, like crazy. So just in case, guys, time to buy auction was here, or at this retest of 18 level by FIB till penny, $7.15. You could even add the limit order, fill your bags, and skyrocket to the moon. So this is a way, guys, how you can work with 27 zone, how you can work with the liquidity pools, and just use previously posted videos and use that information for your own analysis. So adjust your own strategy. Technically, guys, for me, risk reward. What's the point to buy the token after 500% pump if the potential gains is 73% up for the next target and possibility to drop 50%, for example? Guys, risk reward. And also, since the bottom here, this was the bottom, June 23, this token already pumped around 2,000% gains. So ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy now? For what? If that people, the market makers, the everybody who want to accumulate and could accumulate during the last 500 days, what's the point to invest now? So that's the point. And this video is about when to sell. And it's really important because sometimes people can't press sell because they so greedy. They think, oh, we're going higher, we're going higher. Yes, we can go higher. We can go higher like a mantra, 36,000% gains. Is it possible? Yes, of course. Of course. Everything, guys, possible. We can go to 245. Why not? Of course, possible. But I think, just my personal opinion, better fix the profit, or at least withdraw initial deposit and this cycle in the profit than be so greedy and stuck in the token for the next bear market. So just in case, guys, ask yourself, is it okay for you to fix the profit after 500% if you track the first video and accumulate in the right zone of accumulation? Guys, also in the educational purpose, I highly recommend you go and check that playlist, because now a lot of tokens still inside the 27 block. So it's a time for opportunity. Let's check with my customer Kasab what's going on now with this token here. It was a time to sell, and we dump it. Now imagine we formed the huge divergence, historical divergence. This one, first one was December 23. This one is March 25. We formed the divergence. So the next step, this is Aphria. Take a look. This is Aphria. This was the time to buy. Next step, I wish to see something like this one. Some consolidation, going higher, end of cycle, and crazy divergence, drop. So this is a way of what I explained to you in the first video. Time to buy was here, and the capitulation zone and capitulation zone. This one. Weekly time frame we use for investment. Now it's the Aphria zone. So now the total madness in Aphria for auction is over at the level of October 21. So take a look at the money power indicator, trade on here. This is a time for accumulation. This is a time to distribution, sell, buy back. All this period, you could track it everything by yourself. Now, sooner or later, we will see another one, money outflow like this one. And I think it can be or here, dump like this one and bounce, or it can be the consolidation and going higher. So this is the way, guys. But I repeat, no makes sense personally for me, invest in this token now. The time for investment was at $2.28, $7.15. The last indicator, guys, said take profit. So you can go and check how this token performed previously with this indicator, this one. We tested the 18 level by FIB, we tested the fundamental value of this token and bounced it. Now it was a logical entry. Now this is a logical exit. So guys, don't be trapped and take a look how this token reacts and respect the level till penny. So this was 23 level by FIB. That's why, guys, now it's not the right time to buy, even on the daily time frame. It's not the right time to buy. So yes, we can go higher, but after that, so this is what I would like to see. This is something like consolidation, impulse, and after that, dump to the buy line. And it can be the drop, potential drop like 64% or even 70%. If you won't believe it, you can go and open the charts of Fetch AI or Injective and double check. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about auction. If you accumulated this token before, share where you would like to fix a profit, and highly recommend you watch two videos, educational video about how to work with 27 zone, first one, and the next one in education purpose, check the auction bull run plan video what I share with you in zone 23. All levels absolutely the same, so you will understand the logic of analysis. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.